Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger video. Today is a super special video because right here, I have a gift from Tommy Hilfiger. I actually just came home from looking at a house because yes, I'm house hunting and it is stressful as, but coming home to this little gift definitely turned my day around. And it does say Tommy PVH. Super excited because I did not order anything, so I know this is a gift from Tommy to me, and I'm super excited. This will not be my first one of 2021, and if you haven't caught up, I've received gifts throughout this year from Tommy Hilfiger, and it's just literally, it's surreal, it's insane. So we're gonna hang out, we're gonna box this together and see what Tommy sent my way. If you're interested, then keep on watching. I was gonna say grab yourself a snack or a drink, but we're gonna make this video short and cute and fun and not a lengthy one. So let's get into it. Let's open this up. And again, I have no idea what Tommy sent my way, but just to be on Tommy Hilfiger's radar is a blessing and a life goal of mine. I'm still striving to be in a campaign and collaborate with Tommy somehow, but that's what 2022 is for, right? So, box is opened. Here we go. This is what it looks like here. It says returns to Tommy.com. I don't need to return anything because I didn't purchase anything, but okay. We have some tissue paper right here. Ooh, okay. It looks like there's a box and it says Tommy Hilfiger. This looks like a sunglass box. Did I get sunglasses? Always on the market for some shades, you guys. I have quite the collection. This is beautiful. Okay, so this case looks nothing like the case that I already have, the one that I have. Let me grab it. The case that I currently have, it looks like this, and it's definitely a lot less luxurious than this one right here. So that's an upgrade. I'm so excited. It has some weight to it, so let's see what's in the box. No way! I think these are the Romeo Hunts. These are the Romeo glasses, aren't they not? Oh my god. I'm shook right now. I'm kind of quaking. Let me get these open because I'm pretty sure these are the ones that I've been literally drooling over for the past couple months. These are beautiful. They're so Y2K with the like kind of see-through lens. Oh my god. What is this on there? Is that a sensor? Is that a sensor on there? What is that? Wow. All right, so let's take that. Oh my god, these are the Tommy Romeo. I knew it. So this is the branding right there on the inside. As you can see, that's the glasses. Oh my god, these are so sick. And that's a 360 view. They're absolutely stunning, beautiful, and I'm gonna feel like a celebrity wearing these. This side says Romeo. This side says Tommy Hilfiger. And let me see if I can take this off. I don't know what the heck this is. I'm thinking it's a sensor. Scissors. So like, why would I not use scissors to get this off, of course. Ooh. There we go. Yeah, that was a sensor. Okay. Let's give it a try. Oh my god, they have weight to them. These feel luxurious. I'm super excited. Oh, these are sick. No way. How do I look? These are amazing. These are literally everything that I need, that I didn't know I needed, that I wanted. Now I have. Oh my god, thank you so much, Tommy Hilfiger, for everything. Being the lifestyle brand that you are, being inspiring, and just being an incredible brand that we as Americans rely on, because let's face it, when it comes to American designers, there is not many out there that are as reputable, as qualified, as creative, inspiring, and just cares for their following as much as your company does. I'm super beyond thrilled to be adding these to my huge Tommy Hilfiger collection, my Tommy Romeo collection, because I do have a few pieces that are phenomenal, and I'm still waiting to find a place to wear this, but I'm gonna make it happen. And of course, you guys will be, you know, filled in on that. If you're not already, please follow my Instagram page that's dedicated to Tommy Hilfiger. It's the House of Hilfiger. I post all of my collection on there. I share up and coming Tommy Hilfiger pieces. I share my vintage pieces. I also share accounts of other Tommy Hilfiger lovers like myself. So do not forget to tag and hashtag House of Hilfiger to be featured on the page. You guys, I'm super thrilled right now. I'm going to be wearing these all the time. So prepare yourself to see these in tons of posts and upcoming videos. I'm thrilled. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little Tommy Hilfiger experience. I'm forever grateful, Tommy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I have a lot of Tommy Hilfiger content coming your way for the upcoming year, so stay tuned. If you're not already, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. Love your company. And if you are not already familiar with the Tommy x Romeo collaboration collection, please do yourself a favor, check it out. I'm gonna link it in the description down below. I'm beyond. I have no words. So until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.